Hello, in this video I would like to discuss the location of Russia. So to start with, Russia has got its capital in Moscow, and from 1991 Russia is an independent country that broke off from USSR, which is also called Soviet Russia, and Russia has got European side and Asian side of it. So Asia is present east to Russia and occupies 3/4 of it, and Europe is present west to Russia. And these two European and Asian sides of Russia are separated by Ural Mountains. And Arctic Circle also passes through Russia. And as Russia is the largest country in the whole world, it has got international borders with 14 countries. So 14 countries occupy the international borders, share the international borders with Russia, starting from Poland, Lithuania, North Korea, China, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Georgia, Ukraine, Belarus, Latvia, Estonia, Finland, and Norway. So these countries we'll try to locate while loading the map of Russia. And we have important seas around Russia. So these seas are Caspian Sea, Baltic Sea, Black Sea, Sea of Japan, Sea of Okhotsk, and Bering Sea. So we'll try to locate them also. And there are important mountains like Caucasus Mountains, Kolyama Mountains. And Mount Elbrus is the highest peak in whole of Europe. So this is very important. It is also present in Russia. This is a part of Caucasus Mountains. And we have Lake Baikal in Russia. This is the deepest freshwater lake in the whole world, and this has got around 20% of all this fresh water present in the world in unfrozen form. So this is very important. And River Volga, which is the longest of all rivers in Europe, is also present in Russia. So we'll try to locate all of this now with a basic outline of Russia. So to start with, if Russia is given some basic outline, it will somewhat look like this. So this is the basic outline of Russia. And we'll start with the countries that are bordering Russia on its south. From its south we'll go. So here Russia is having its border with North Korea, and beside North Korea we have the border of China. So here this is the border of China with Russia, and here we have the border of Mongolia. So you can also relate all of these countries with the listing I have given here. So after Mongolia, it has got the border of Kazakhstan. So these four countries occupy the southern border of Russia. And after this, the countries that occupy the western border are, here we have Azerbaijan, and after that we have Georgia. After Georgia, there is Ukraine. After Ukraine, Belarus. So after Belarus, we have Latvia, Estonia, and this is having small border with two Scandinavian countries on its west. They are Finland and Norway. These are very small borders here. So Finland and Norway, they occupy a very small area in bordering, and they extend further to this place. So like that, Finland and Norway. So these are all the countries that are bordering the western border of Russia. And here we also need to know that Russia has got a small part apart from this big chunk. So this is also Russia. So this is called Russian enclave of Kaliningrad. So this has got border with two countries. They are Poland and Lithuania. So thus Russia also has border with Poland and Lithuania, though they are not connected to the main chunk of Russia here. They are connected to the Russian enclave of Kaliningrad here, which is present little on the western side of Russia. So now we'll see the different seas that are bordering Russia. So to start with, we have Caspian Sea, very important sea here, that is Caspian Sea. And Russia has got Baltic Sea. So Baltic Sea is having its border over here. So this is Baltic Sea. And Black Sea is having its border over here between Estonia and Finland. So here there is Baltic Sea. So these three seas are present on the western border and three seas are present on the eastern border. So the seas are Sea of Japan here and Sea of Okhotsk, and here we have Bering Sea. These three seas are present on the eastern side and three seas on the western side. So Bering Sea, Sea of Okhotsk, and Japan Sea, Sea of Japan. These are present here, and Sea of Japan is also called East Sea. And East Sea meant that it is Sea of Japan. So we have also important mountains. Now we'll try to locate them. So Caucasus Mountains. Caucasus Mountains are present over here on the western border of Russia. So these are Caucasus Mountains, which also has got Mount Elbrus, which is the highest peak in all of Europe. And we also have Kolyama Mountains over here on the eastern side of Russia. These are Kolyama Mountains. And we also spoke about Ural Mountains. So here we have Ural Mountains. So these Ural Mountains separate the European part of Russia with the Asian part of Russia. So this is the Asian part of Russia and that is European part of Russia. So the mountains that separate these two parts are Ural Mountains. They are present here. And we'll see the lake that is present here, that is Lake Baikal. So Lake Baikal is present somewhere around here. This is the deepest freshwater lake in the whole world. So this is Lake Baikal. And we'll see the river Volga. So river Volga also flows from this region. So this is river Volga. This is the longest river in whole of Europe. So that also flows from the western border of Europe. So this is river Volga. And these are all the basic things around Russia. And Russia is having borders with three oceans. So here we have Arctic Ocean. Here on its east we have Pacific Ocean. On its west we have Atlantic Ocean. So it is in between these three oceans. So that is a very important thing. Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. And Arctic Circle also passes through Russia. So Arctic Circle somewhere goes through the north part of it like this. So here we have Arctic Circle going through Russia, which is very important. So these are all the basic things about Russia and all the countries that are bordering it, all the oceans, seas, important mountains, Volga River and Baikal Lake, and all the important things about it. And thank you.